So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one back here, 5.
Wow.
And then this one is starting to open. So if that one opens all the way up today, so that will be 6.
Awesome. Look at that corn. Wow. That corn's getting huge.
Wow.
My goodness. Hey guys, so wow, this update, I'm excited because we have flowers. Look at that, you got flower there, some up there. There's one just about to come in right back here from my daughter says. And this one down here is like almost touching the ground. That's insane. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in today and welcome back to the Crafty Reviewer.
Like a Hellcat.
Alright guys, so let's do a quick review of the garden. It's going pretty well. We have flowers. We have quite a few flowers. We've had flowers on the cricket neck squash, but so far no squash. But we just saw these this morning, and these are flowers on the spaghetti squash right now. And there's another one down here somewhere. I can't really see with the camera, but there's another flower somewhere that's getting ready to open. But either way, I'll show it to you guys later. And our avocados, pretty excited about those. They're cracking in the middle, and I can kind of see like it looks like a little leaf is coming out of the inside, but you just can't see it with the camera. You know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe you can. That one, and there's that one. I don't know. We're still waiting to see. And this one is the loofah plant. And interesting story about that one. About 3 days ago, we came over and we were watering it. And I looked on top, and you know, it has like the soil stuff has this like wood stuff on top, and these little leaves and stuff randomly just on top. Well, I was looking at it, and I was like, hey, is that the seed that's supposed to be underground? And my wife and my daughter were like, yeah, that's the seed. I'm like, oh my goodness gracious. So we stuck the seed back in there, covered it back up, and hopefully it'll grow now. Just have to wait and see, I guess. And guys, this corn is getting huge. We're still trying to figure out the whole shade situation. That hopefully we'll be able to build it one here soon. But this corn is getting tall. Like, let's take a step back. Wow. That's tall. It's about 3 feet actually. So pretty crazy stuff. The spaghetti squash, like I said, has 2 flowers on there. And I'm gonna spritz those and these ones over here with the that fruit spray stuff that I was telling you guys about. And look at that, it's coming all the way down to the ground. It's about 1 inch from the ground right now. This little tentacle thing is really close to the ground, so we'll see what that does. Anyways, so still nothing from the bell pepper plants. Our onions seem to not be doing too well at all. Did some more research on them, and lo and behold, they're actually supposed to get bigger than that, and they're supposed to be not completely covered, I guess. So hopefully we'll be able to do more of those at a different time. Turns out same thing with the carrots. The carrots need a little bit more sunlight and not to be completely covered by a squash plant. So we're gonna have to do a little bit more research next time. But the tomato plant is getting pretty tall. It's just a little bit shorter than the corn plant right now. No, yeah, there you go. The corn plant there, tomato plant there. A little bit shorter than the corn, but still. We've had a lot of flowers, little blossoms coming from there. Sprayed in with that blossom stuff, and they fall off almost immediately. Same with the cricket neck squash down here. Every time I spray that stuff on the flowers, the flower falls off almost instantly. Like, it's like the same day, and they've curled up, dried up, and fallen off. And I thought that was a good thing, but I haven't been able to find anything else about like how or why it's doing it. and if it's good or if it's bad or anything like that. So if you know, please let me know. Thanks, guys. So nothing, no flowers at all, or any vegetables or anything from the green squash right here. But the leaves are still getting bigger than my hand. These ones are pretty big, about as big as my hand right now. But honestly, we're just kind of waiting to see what's going on with these. The corn plant's doing awesome. Just waiting to see what's going on with that. I'm super excited. Here, hopefully in the next couple days, we will have something drawn up for the new shade that's a little bit more permanent, and hopefully we'll be able to get the materials and that built here soon. But keep an eye out on the channel, and I will update you guys on how to build that and how we build it, and we'll go from there. So guys, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update with our garden update. And yeah, now we're gonna water and spray some of that stuff in the flowers. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again, guys. See you later.